Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about class templates and inheritance, part of programming in C++ course. A class template in C++ can also be used in conjunction with inheritance. A class template can inherit from another class template or a non-template class, and a non-template class can inherit from a class template. Here is an example of a class template stack inheriting from a non-template class container. In this example, the class template stack inherits from the non-template class container. The data members and member functions of container are accessible in the stack class. The container class acts as the base class for the stack class, and the stack class acts as a derived class. This allows you to create a hierarchy of classes based on the data types, where a class template can inherit from another class template or a non-template class. And a non-template class can inherit from a class template. The inheritance relationship between class templates and non-template classes can be used to create a flexible and powerful class hierarchy in C++. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.